You brush, you rinse, you chew gum. But the bad breath keeps coming back. What if the problem isn't what you think and the solution is simpler than you've ever imagined? Most people think bad breath starts in the mouth, but the truth is, that's only part of the story. Yes, your mouth is just the tip of the iceberg. Stick with me, because what you're about to learn could completely change how you think about oral health, and it might just give you fresh breath faster than you imagined. For decades, dentistry has focused almost entirely on teeth, cavities, fillings, extractions. Sure, sometimes the cause is obvious. A decayed tooth can produce a strong, unpleasant odor. That's not just bad breath, that's an infection and it needs immediate professional care. But here's the twist. Even people with perfectly healthy teeth often struggle with chronic bad breath. Why? Because your mouth is not an isolated system. Your gums, your saliva, your gut, even your nasal passages are all connected. And at the center of it all is something most people never think about: oral biofilm. Your oral biofilm is a layer of bacteria living in your mouth. Not all bacteria are bad. Your good bacteria keep the harmful ones in check. But when this balance breaks, chaos ensues. Think of it like a city with no police. The and bad guys take over. Here's the twist. Bad breath isn't from too many bad bacteria, but too few good ones. And habits like mouthwash overuse, snacking, and acidic drinks throw everything off balance. Add acid reflux into the mix, stomach acid traveling back up into your mouth, and you have a perfect storm: bad taste, bad smell, and long-term damage. And it gets even more connected: your nose. Sinus issues, tonsil stones, and bacterial buildup in the back of your throat all affect your mouth, because the biofilm in your nose and mouth are directly linked. When one is unhealthy, the other follows. Acidic drinks and acid reflux disrupt your mouth's balance, promoting odor-causing bacteria. Understanding halitosis. Let's define it. Halitosis is persistent bad breath that won't disappear with brushing or mouthwash. Anaerobic bacteria like Porphyromonas, gingivalis, Fusobacterium nucleatum, and Treponema denticola are the main culprits. These bacteria break down proteins and release sulfur gases, like hydrogen sulfide, the smell of rotten eggs, and methylmercaptan, which has a foul fecal odor. The American Dental Association reports that 90% of bad breath comes from bacteria in the mouth, especially the tongue and gums. Studies in journals like the Journal of Clinical Periodontology confirm that 80 to 90% of halitosis originates in the mouth. Key triggers you need to know. Tongue cocoat. This is the biggest bacteria reservoir, while dry mouth results to less saliva and more odor. Gum disease creates deep pockets where bacteria thrive. Protein-rich foods fuel odor-causing bacteria. Drinking habits. Timing matters more than you think. Everyone tells you to drink more water for fresh breath, but what if that's actually part of the problem? Because it's not only what you drink, it's when you drink it that could be ruining your mouth's balance. Do not worry, you will soon understand why. So if that's what's causing it, why hasn't anything worked for you yet? The real question: how to fix it? So how do you actually get rid of bad breath for good? Let's break it down. 1. Fix oral hygiene. Brush twice a day for 2 minutes. Floss daily to remove hidden bacteria. Toothpicks can help remove large food debris, but they are not a replacement for proper oral hygiene. Clean your tongue. A tongue scraper can remove up to 75% of odor-causing bacteria, far more effective than brushing alone. 2. Stay hydrated. Dry mouth fuels bad breath. Drinking water stimulates saliva, your natural mouth cleaner. Chewing sugar-free gum also helps, but here's the secret. It's not just drinking water, it's when you drink it. Solution: sip during meals, then give your mouth time to recover so good bacteria can rebuild. 3. Upgrade your diet. Crunchy vegetables like carrots, celery, cucumbers, and leafy greens act like natural toothbrushes, stimulate saliva, and physically clean teeth. Note, you need more chewing to activate your salivary glands, and activated glands release more saliva. Leafy green stimulates saliva production, and that's the key. Herbs like parsley and mint are great for odor control too. Saliva is your mouth's built-in cleaning system. It washes away food, neutralizes acids, and balances bacteria. The simple truth: it's not just the food itself, it's the mechanical action, chewing, plus water content that triggers saliva and cleans your mouth. When saliva is low, bacteria grow faster, and that's when odor starts. Note, your diet shows up in your breath. 4. Treat gum disease and cavities. What if the real reason your bad breath won't go away is something quietly rotting beneath the surface, and no amount of brushing can fix it? Persistent bad breath may indicate gingivitis, periodontitis, or tooth decay. Solution: visit a dentist regularly and treat underlying issues. 5. Quit smoking. Smoking dries your mouth, damages gums, and creates strong odor. Quitting is one of the fastest ways to improve breath. Respiratory infections, conditions like bronchitis or pneumonia, can sometimes affect breath odor. If hygiene and diet aren't enough, consider sinus infections, acid reflux, or tonsil stones. Consult a doctor for treatment. Foods to avoid, backed by science. Garlic and onions causes sulfur compounds enter the bloodstream, lungs, breath. Even brushing won't fully remove it. Do not eat them before social gatherings. Sugary foods feed bacteria, increasing acid, boosting odor, and accelerating plaque buildup. Coffee and alcohol dry mouth and feed bacteria. High-protein diets with poor hygiene produce more sulfur gas. So here's the real turning point. What if you could start fixing this naturally, using simple remedies that are actually backed by science? Natural remedies, evidence-based. Certain foods actively fight odor-causing bacteria. 1. Parsley and mint contain chlorophyll that helps neutralize odor compounds. Temporary but effective. 2. Green tea is rich in polyphenols. Studies show it reduces sulfur compounds and oral bacteria. 3. Coconut oil pulling reduces bacteria load in the mouth. Swish for 10 to 15 minutes to lower bacteria. Some studies show improvement in plaque and odor. 4. Crunchy fruits and veggies. Apples, carrots, celery physically clean teeth and stimulate saliva. 5. Water, most underrated remedy. Timing matters. Sip water during meals, then stop to let your mouth reset. Even hydration can backfire if done incorrectly. Before anything else works, there's one step you can't skip, because even the best home routine can't reach what's hiding beneath the surface. 1. Professional dental cleaning removes plaque and tartar, major odor sources. Recommended every 6 months. Tongue scraping reduces VSCs more effectively than brushing. Antibacterial mouthwash with chlorhexidine, CPC, or zinc compounds. Treat underlying conditions, gum disease, dry mouth, acid reflux, tonsil stones. Probiotics. Emerging science shows promise for balancing oral bacteria. Fresh breath isn't a mystery, it's about balance. Control bacteria, clean your mouth, eat right, and fix the root cause. Bad breath isn't just a surface problem, it's a signal. If this helped, subscribe, like, and stay tuned. See you next time. Thanks for watching.